What the fuck? Oh, I'm on webcam. Hey, y'all. I'd like to thank so many people for um, letting me be hot. I was born cute. I always have been cute. I always will be cute. I like to praise myself. I thank my man Marquis for always being there, videotaping this when I didn't even know that I was being videotaped until now. I can't believe I just said tape it. I mean taped. Taped. I'm American. I speak English. I speak gibberish, and I also speak Braille, and I speak um that one other thing that sounds stupid, but I can't think of it right now. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. 'Cause I got you, baby. Ooh, ooh, 'cause I got you, baby. Ooh, I got you, baby.
You're stupid.
Cause I got you, babe. Ooh. Hold on, I'm not about to start singing with this.
Hold on.
This is what he does in his free time. He's a Jew. He's stupid. No offense. Nobody take offense to that, alright? I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it from the heart. I mean it. I didn't mean it. But I'm about to sing a song for y'all. What is this seriously about to go on YouTube? Oh hell! I mean, whoops! I mean, heck yeah! What up, baby? I've been doing real nice stuff. Don't I be doing nice stuff? Yeah, I be doing nice stuff. Alright. Yes, I make mistakes that I don't ever make excuses for. Like even girls that love me and constantly seducing hoes. I'm losing my thoughts. I sit damn where my roots just go. Time to slip off like Janet at the Super Bowl. I got it. Oh, well, it's a song over. Make me sound stupid.
That was for you.
You're not even on the camera. You're like, your hair is like off to the side.
That was for you.
It's time for the BCS National Championship halftime show with the boy Marquis and his.
You can be my music person. Wait. That was stupid.
All right. Oh shit! I almost fell. All right, and now we're back to our Marcus's sing-along show with the words at the bottom of the screen. Hello. How you doing? I got a cramp in my arm. That's too hard. Um. With all that talking tough, I'm about to lose you. This is my last chance to love you. I'm gonna play like a grown man or two if I only got one shot to win you. A common Jordan for the continent and two. I'm gonna do it no matter what Marquis Pierce says. I'm gonna do it. Something, I don't know. That part of the song I'm gonna do. I'm able to a man like Baraki and I'm gonna do it. If this is my last chance, yeah. Sometimes I try to front like it don't matter. When I understand, like I can find better. And I truth be told, I know that you're the one. You're plain to see that I ain't nothing without you. It seems like every song on the radio is about you, girl. Just stay on home where you belong.
Boy, is it time for some dessert or what? Well, first of all, I just had to do me a granola bar because
Oh my God! He just fell into my mouth. I ate you all up, Marky. He tastes so good. He's so good, Marky. See, I got right here. Look at that. They don't hurt that bad. Yeah, you see that he just fell down the stairs right into my mouth.
Oh, my eye. The sauce thing is hot. The sauce is hot and burning my
Marky, fall down the stairs again. Fall down the stairs again. I like have my mouth next to a thing so it look like he will like right in my mouth. Ready.
Oh, no!
I'm a monster. Oh, that tastes so good. I like that.
I gotta get out here.
Oh no. I know.
Watch Marcus for a minute.
They even watched me for a long time. Alright, y'all, what y'all want to see? What y'all want me to sing? What y'all want me to sing? Mama, I can sing on you. No one can.
They can still see you.
Oh, is this still recording? What the? Well, this is un-American. Wait, what are you doing? Are you about to upload it?
I'm about to put a video. Song on.
Oh well, you should upload it. I don't need to upload this video. I want to show people. I want to go on like VS, but I want to show people this video. Like, I like to shout out and say that Kurt Schneider is homo and soccer is gay.
It is.
It's extremely homo and un-American. You know what sport is good?
Football.
Football. And then basketball's up there too. That's baseball. That's a fun game to watch. I mean, play, but it's terrible to watch. I don't know how people stand watching it. Oh my God, let's go to the Brewers game. The Brewers are garbage. And everybody who goes there is just going there to get drunk because they ain't actually wanting to watch the game. They don't want to watch the game.
Now that's un-American.
See this chicken one right here? I'm about to eat it off. No, I ain't doing that.
You need me to warm it up again?
I didn't know I was subbing in video. Say we was on YouTube.
He was on YouTube.
Oh no. I know. There's some good wings. I don't know why I didn't try these earlier.